Today we are diving into something most of us struggles with, which is dark spots. Whether it's from acne, whether it's from sun exposure, or even uneven skin tone. I got you covered with this cream I'm about to recommend for you in today's video. These products that I'm about to recommend for you are actually works, affordable, and you can easily find it around the world. First of all, before the recommendation, what causes dark spots? It could be acne scar, sun damage, hormonal change, or even inflammation. And the key is to use ingredients that target the production of melanin production. Exfoliate gently and hydrates the skin. So here are the best face cream you can also get for your dark spots. The first one on my list is the ordinary azelaic acid, which is lightweight, which targets your dark spots, stubborn dark spots. It targets pigmentation and redness. It is great for acne prone skin and sensitive skin. You can apply this product once in a day after your cleanser and before your moisturizer. This is one good product you can incorporate into your skincare routine in order to fade away that dark spot. The dark spot is going to fade away because of the azelaic acid that is being used to formulate this particular product. The next product is a cream which is Nivea Luminous. It is dermatologically proven to reduce dark spots in 4 weeks. Gentle enough for daily use, even twice in a day. You can use this product twice in a day and it is gentle for you to apply it every single day. It is great for beginner, and even someone with a sensitive skin can also make use of this particular cream. The next product I'll be recommending is the Garnier product, which is the Garnier Vitamin C Boost Serum, or you can call it cream. It is a powerful antioxidant product that helps to brighten up your dull complexion, and this particular product also contains niacinamide. This particular product will help to boost your skin and also easily fade away your hyperpigmentation in no time. This is one good product you need to get because of the niacinamide and the vitamin C that is being used to formulate this particular product. Trust me sis, you can easily find this Garnier anywhere around you. I decided to add another product which is also very affordable, and it is Spawn Clarins B3 Dark Spots Cream. This particular product, you can also get this product around you. It is very affordable, packed with niacinamide. It is good on mild to moderate spots. This is one good affordable product you can also get for your dark spot. Test your girl with a bonus tip which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Tip for best results: always use sunscreen SPF 30 or higher during the daytime every single day. This is going to save you from dark spots, and even though you already have dark spots, this will also help you to speeding up the results, the recovery. So it is very important to incorporate. If you know you skip sunscreen, it's high time you start using your sunscreen. It is a wake-up call. Be consistent. At least give the product 4 to 6 weeks for you to see the result. Don't just use the product for 1 week and start complaining. At least use this product for 4 weeks. Avoid using too many active ingredients at once during this period. Avoid it because this might be one of the reasons why you are having dark spots in the first place. Make sure you hydrate your skin and exfoliate your skin at least once or twice in a week in order to see massive change on your skin. Dark spots can be frustrating, but with the right product and consistent, you are going to see a progress. Let me know down in the comments if you have made use of any of those products I recommended, and if you have a favorite cream that you want me to check out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell to always be the first person to be notified each time I drop a new banger interesting informative video about beauty and skincare tips. And share this video with a friend or family. So I will see you in the next one. I still remain your favorite guest, Sophia. Stay blessed and peace. Bye.